exploring the phrase, filled with fervor. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very expressive phrase, filled with fervor. Understanding such phrases can add depth to your English communication, so let's break it down together and see how you can use it in your conversations and writing. The phrase, filled with fervor, combines two powerful words to convey a deep emotion or state. Let's look at each part. Filled. This word indicates that something is full or completely occupied by another thing. It suggests a complete or total presence of what follows. Fervor. A less common word that describes intense and passionate feeling. It comes from the Latin word fervere, meaning to boil. Just like a pot boiling over with heat, fervor represents emotions that are heated, passionate, or intensely enthusiastic. Together, filled with fervor describes a state of being overwhelmed or consumed by intense passion or enthusiasm. It's used to express a very strong emotional involvement or commitment to something. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. In personal ambitions, she was filled with fervor as she spoke about her dream to become an astronaut. 2. In social movements, the activists were filled with fervor, marching through the streets demanding change. 3. In artistic pursuits, the artist worked filled with fervor, pouring his soul into every brushstroke. 4. In learning and education, upon discovering the world of literature, the young student was filled with fervor, reading every book she could find. These examples show how filled with fervor can be applied to various scenarios, highlighting the intensity and passion of the subjects involved. Using phrases like filled with fervor can make your English more vivid and expressive. It helps you convey emotions more effectively. Instead of saying, very excited, filled with fervor, adds a layer of intensity and passion. Improve your writing and speaking skills. Learning to use such phrases can enhance your creative expression and make your communication more engaging. Expand your vocabulary. Understanding and using expressions like this one can help you better grasp the nuances of the English language. We hope this exploration of the phrase, filled with fervor, has inspired you to add it to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about expressing your emotions and thoughts in the most vivid way possible. So, the next time you're deeply passionate about something, don't hesitate to say you're filled with fervor about it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.